English is not my first language. In my place, learning English is expensive. I could not afford to go to school. So, I learned by myself. I used books, websites, and YouTube videos. I studied for a while but did not see any progress. I often forgot words and grammar. My sentences were not correct. Then I had an idea. I started a YouTube channel, an English teaching channel. Maybe you are surprised. How can a person who is still learning English teach others? But it's true. I made videos to explain the things I didn't understand. At first, I made them just for myself. I wanted to watch them again later. But while editing the videos, I started to understand and remember better. I realized that teaching myself was the best way to learn. When I made a video, I repeated the lesson many times. This helped me remember easily. Are you learning English by yourself too? If yes, try making your own YouTube channel. You will see how well you can teach yourself. Also, your channel will grow. More people will watch and subscribe as your knowledge grows. Don't worry if your videos are not perfect. They will get better with time. Your channel will become your playground, your free school, a special and useful place for learning. Just start. You will be surprised at how fast you can improve.